10-meter drop. We're gonna see where it goes. I'm starting to see a theme on this vlog about me and tunnels. So. Good mystical morning. Get it? Mystical. It's another beautiful day here in Cape Town, South Africa. Today we're gonna check out some abandoned army bunkers. Bunker! Do you ever feel like a plastic bag blowing through the wind? Okay, so we checked on Google Maps how to get to this place, and we saw a road on this side. So we're just going up the waterfall. It's like a waterfall or something. But we didn't have any good rain the last couple of days, so that's why there's no water running. Go! I'm gonna rinse it, go! Just hold it! Ugh. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Yeah. Let's go. About a kilometer this way, then we will find the bunker.
Come through here. Passport, please. Do you have your passport, sir?
I think a little cash point.
That's all good, sir. You can go.
So we found it from the cannon, and it's looking pretty sick, bro.
Just be careful.
This is the only piece that holds it. Loose on this side. If you come down, I'll show you. Only one bolt.
It's safe, bro. It's safe. It's nothing to worry about, man.
Safe. Just wiggle it a little bit. Yep.
This is the battery. It's welded shut everywhere, but we're gonna look for a way to get inside. Okay, we found an alley. Let's check where it goes. Like, whoa, there's an entire room down here. Look at this. Oh, awesome, man. That's a shower. Okay, so we found a tunnel. We're gonna see where it goes. I'm starting to see a theme on this vlog about me and tunnels, so. Okay, so we just went in there, and then we came back on this. We came out on this side, so it went around. I wonder why they made it like that. Why would they? Why would they make a tunnel that goes straight around? Ooh, okay, that was actually quite scary. What do you think?
Bro, that was very scary.
You don't know where you're going. You're left and right, and it doesn't even feel like you're going around, and then all of a sudden you get back to where you started. Let's check how deep this goes, man. Okay, we're on the other side of the battery now. We're gonna see where this 10-meter drop. We're gonna see where it goes. Are you doing there regular, or what do you call your name on your vlog?
Regular vlog, but please comment below and I will change it.
What's in your brother? Okay, so we found the engine room. It seems like this is the engine that they used to like rotate the cannon. Okay, so from what we can see, the engine room over there was used to rotate the cannon on this side. Okay, so I did some research about this cannon. It dates back to 1902. This gun barrel weighs 28 tons. It could shoot an explosive shell weighing 170 kilograms to a target 30 kilometers away. That's fucking cool, man. Apparently there's like a whole bunch of these batteries around the coastline, so we're gonna go to Simonstown. We're gonna see if we can find another one. Look at Flippy telling Kevin how to get down here. Basically, to get down a slippery slope, you just need to put your foot down like this until it stops, then you take the next step. Yeah, we had a good lunch. Gonna check out the other bunker. Find any cannons in there?
No, man.
Okay, so we made it to the one in Simonstown. Kevin's looking for a way in. It's so awesome because in the previous one we couldn't actually get inside to see the cannon. The bench where the guy would sit that would load this cannon, the shell, and then whoop. There's a step right over there. Okay, we climbed down all the way from there. It's the barrel. This is what it looks like. That's the end of this video. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Subscribe to regular vlog. Kevin?
Nope.
Okay, don't subscribe to Kevin. I guess I'll see you next week.